Hello everyone, this video is very relevant. This is going to be very relevant for you guys if you are a beginner in English learning process. So please watch this video till then, because here I am going to talk about a very relevant topic, that is guys about how to overcome the fear of speaking English. If you guys are feeling hesitation while speaking, if you hesitate while speaking this language, so watch this video till the end, because here I will be giving very important tips, very important tips, that those are very genuine, very workable, because I am genuine with you guys. If you are genuine in yourself, you will definitely watch this video till the end, and you will actually work upon these things that you guys are doing incorrect while speaking. If you will make over those faults, you will definitely be able to learn this language. You will definitely be able to overcome this fear. Okay, you will definitely not hesitate while speaking if you are able to do these things that I am going to tell in this video. So without any further delay, we are going to start the video. Guys, before diving into the video, I am going to give a little bit introduction of myself. Guys, my name is Aditya Prajapati and I come from a very small village of Uttar Pradesh. I come from very humble background, Hindi medium background. Even then I am able to speak very good English because I practiced a lot. I followed some tips. I followed YouTube in a very good manner. Only because of this reason, I am able to speak very good English in front of you guys, and I am teaching you guys here because I have passed this process. I want to teach everybody who come from these humble backgrounds and they want to speak very good English. So watch my videos. Watch this video till the end. Here I will be telling very genuine tips so that you will be able to move out from the hesitation of speaking in front of the public. Okay, so why do you guys hesitate? This is the basic question. There are 4 reasons you guys hesitate. Guys, number 1, fear of making mistakes. Number 2, lack of confidence. Number 3, thinking too much about grammar. And guys, number 4, what will the people say when I will speak in front of them? They will make fun of me. That are not letting you to learn this language. Only because of these fears, you are unable to continue speaking. You are unable to speak confidently. Okay, guys, if you are making mistakes, so it is the part of the process. Don't feel any kinds of bad feeling. Don't feel worse or negative, because this is the process. When I was beginner, I also used to think like this. I also used to face these hurdles. I also used to hesitate while speaking. I also used to think these 4 questions used to come to the mind when I try to speak. When I used to try to speak in front of the public, these 4 questions used to come to the mind. कि लोग क्या कहेंगे यदि मैंने गलत बोल दिया, और मैं ग्रामर के बारे में ज्यादा सोचता था. दिस आल्सो हैपेंड विद मी, बट आई हैव ओवरकम दिस प्रोसेस एंड मैंने भी पास किया है. तो इसमें बुरा फील करने का कोई नहीं है, लेकिन इस गलती को सुधारना है आपको. यू जस्ट हैव टू मेक ओवर दिस फॉल्ट. सो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू डू? आई एम गोइंग टू गिव very relevant tips here. So watch this video till the end. Number 1, think in English. Think in English. How you guys will be able to think in English? Only if you are able to practice every day. For thinking English directly, if you don't want to translate, you just have to think in English. For thinking in English, Without translating, you have to practice a lot. You have to learn the phrases, fixed sentences that you can use in your everyday life, rather than forming the sentences. It may be incorrect. If it will be incorrect, you are feeling hesitation. So avoiding this hesitation, you have to learn the everyday uses, sentences. Those are very fixed. Those are usable in your everyday life. You have to learn the phrases. This is how you will be able to overcome the hesitation. Okay. And guys, step number 2, expand your comfort zone. Comfort zone को expand करो भाई. There will be some guys, some friends will be support you when you are going to speak in front of them. They support you. If they support you, so expand your comfort zone. You have to speak in front of those guys. You have to expand your comfort zone. Start speaking in comfortable zone, in comfortable place. आपको एक ऐसे surrounding बना लेनी है where you are comfortable. So that you are able to speak every day, you are able to go there and talk to somebody who are very supportive. So make this comfortable zone for you. If you are able to make, you will be able to practice with those guys and you will be able to learn this language. And you will be able to overcome the fear of speaking. You are feeling hesitation, you will not feel any kinds of hesitation if you practice every day, because you already have made the environment to speak and you are practicing, you are speaking every day. So hesitation तो automatically दूर चली जाएगी ना. So ये है tip number 2. Please do it, follow it. Okay. Tip number 3, practice daily conversation. किसके साथ प्रैक्टिस करनी है? आपने जो एनवायरमेंट बनाया है, what environment you have made, there are friends who also want to learn, तो you have to practice with them. Daily conversation practice करनी है. If there is no one to practice, there is no one with whom you guys can practice, so you just have to talk to yourself in front of the mirror. You have to record yourself. There are alternative ways. If you are actually learning this language, if you actually want to improve your English, so there are alternative ways to learn to speak. You guys have to follow these steps. You have to speak to yourself in front of the mirror. You have to talk to yourself. You can talk to the wall. You can talk to your mom. It doesn't matter she doesn't understand English language, but you have to make her understand that this is what the meaning of this sentence. After speaking, you have to make her understand. And अब tip number 3, किस तरीके से आप अपनी हेजिटेशन को दूर कर सकते हो. These are very relevant. Okay. Tip number 4, listen and repeat. Listen करना, आपको listening practice करनी. You guys have to listen a lot. You guys have to listen to the songs. If you like some songs, English songs, you just have to repeat those songs. जो उसने पंक्ति बोली है. What line in the songs you have liked, you just have to repeat. You just have to repeat that line so that you are able to speak again that line. Okay, so this is how you will be able to correct your faults. This is how you will be able to overcome the fear of speaking. This is how you will be able to get out from your comfort zone. Okay. तो आपको लिसनिंग करनी है. एंड आफ्टर दैट इफ यू लाइक सम सेंटेंस, यू हैव टू स्पीक. उसी वे में बोलिए, उसी एक्टिंग करते हुए बोलिए. एक्टिंग करते हुए कि उसने कैसे बोला है, तो मैं भी उसे ट्राई करता हूँ. सो दिस इज हाउ यू विल बी एबल टू मेक योर जर्नी एंजॉयबल एंड enthusiastically you will be able to learn this language. Okay, so this was tip number 4. And tip number 5, overcome fear of judgment. If you are feeling any kinds of fear about speaking in front of the public, कि what people say, people will make fun of me when I will try to speak in front of them. I will definitely make false. If I will make false, they will make fun of me. ये बहुत बुरा कहेंगे अंग्रेज, इस टाइप से बहुत घटिया चीजें बोलेंगे. तो लोगों का काम है कहना, एंड वो तो कहेंगे ही. I also have faced many bad comments, hate comments. I also used to face when I started. जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, बहुत सारे लोग बहुत बुरा बोलते थे. बहुत मजाक उड़ाया गया मेरा, बहुत मजाक उड़ाया गया. There was a shop in front of my house. The shopkeeper used to make fun of me in a very bad manner. But now वो मजाक उड़ाने की उसकी हिम्मत नहीं है. I am able to speak very well. अब वो मन में सोचता होगा कि यार बंदा है तो गुड, बंदा है तो I mean hard working. So this is how you have to feel in your mind कि इसके results क्या होंगे. What will be the results if I am able to speak very good English after some times? So people will automatically stop making fun of you. Okay, so this was the tip number 5. Guys, tip number 6, expand your vocabulary. If you are unable to speak, you are lacking something. You don't have enough data. I mean data in sense कि you don't have enough sentences in your mind so that you can speak. तो इसके लिए I always say you guys have to learn everyday uses sentences. You have to expand your vocabulary. You have to learn everyday uses phrases. I am teaching you guys. Just learn करिए so that you are able to speak those phrases you are able to use in your daily everyday life. So this is what you have to do. This was the tip number 6 and very genuine. And guys, tip number 8, but very very important. Very very important. That is, be consistent in your learning. If you are unable to be consistent, so it may take long time. And you guys definitely want to improve your communication skills. You definitely want to improve English early, very soon. You definitely want to speak very well English in just 1 month, 2 months or 3 months or in just 6 months. So you just have to be consistent, because this is a language. This may take long time if you are inconsistent. So if you want to speak very good English in just 6 months, in just 3 months, so you will have to be consistent in your life. This is the basic thing. Because consistency is the key. If you want to achieve something big in life, you want to achieve something which is new, if you want to achieve something which is really tough, so we will have to be consistent. और धीरे धीरे जो प्रोसेस होता है ना, उस प्रोसेस को पार करके हम बड़ी से बड़ी चीजें तोड़ सकते हैं, बड़ी से बड़ी चीजें पा सकते हैं. ओके, बिकॉज मैं आपको एक कोट सुनाता हूँ, बहुत ही अच्छा. जैसे कि if we want to achieve something we never had, we will have to do something we never did. जो हम अचीव करना चाहते हैं, यदि हम कुछ ऐसा अचीव करना चाहते हैं जो हमारे पास था नहीं, तो हमें कुछ ऐसा करना पड़ेगा जो हमने कभी किया नहीं. This is the simple win-win situation. We have to do, if we want to achieve something new, we will have to do something very good. We will have to get out from our comfort zone so that we are able to achieve that goal. So these were 7 tips, 7 very very genuine tips I have talked about in this video. Those are relevant for you guys. You guys have to use these tips in your everyday life. If you want to speak very good English, if you want to learn this language, you will definitely use. If you have watched this video till then, you are very genuine with yourself. You are definitely dedicated towards learning this language. This is the sign, because you have watched this video till the end. You will definitely be confident in yourself. You are definitely learning this language. आप सच में लर्न करना चाहते हैं, यदि आपने ये वीडियो अंत तक देखा है, आप सच में इस लैंग्वेज पर काम कर रहे हैं और लर्न करना चाहते हैं, तभी तो आपने इतना वीडियो देखा है. If you have watched this video, if you found something relevant, please like and comment on my video. How am I making videos and on what topic do I have to make videos? I will try to upload that video so that it may resolve your issues. Okay, have a good day. We'll meet in another video. Bye bye.